What's up, King Squad? I'm back with another video, man. Hey, man, like I told y'all, man, I had more stuff coming. You know what I'm saying? It's not gonna stop, you know what I mean? Hey, but look, my first package just got here. Man, I'm excited to do this. I know I got 3 more other packages coming today. Got a package coming Friday, and hopefully the last package come Friday too. So I go ahead and knock this out, man. You know what I'm saying? Still got a long way to go with Ghost, you know what I'm saying? She's coming together, man. But you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get all the cosmetic out the way, you know what I'm saying? Make your ride look good. Then I'm gonna start doing the suspensions and tires and engine mods, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Little bit, but I'm gonna let y'all give y'all a little hint. Give y'all a little hint, man, about my engine, man. I'm finna drop a whole brand new engine in there. I did some research and everything like that, but I'm finna drop a whole new engine in there. So y'all stay tuned for that. It will be happening probably next month or next couple of months. It all depends on how everything falls. But like I said, I'm gonna get back to the reason why I'm starting this video.
Daddy.
But my first package came in. Just a second. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's see what this is right here. I hear like a whole bunch of screws. A whole bunch of screws in here. Excuse the mess. Kids. Oh, look, it's already open.
I took the left hand out.
It's already open.
And I flew out of the house.
Okay. Okay. I don't know if y'all know what this is by the looks of it. But I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all guys what it is. This is my front splitter that goes on the front end of my charger. So like I said, man, cosmetic, you know what I'm saying? Well, it's actually performance based, but that's the first for the cosmetic mod that came in. Like I said, man, I got three more packages coming today. Should be here by 9 o'clock tonight, right before work. But I'm gonna let y'all guys see that too, and I'm gonna let y'all see it when I start putting on my rip. But y'all stay tuned, man. Thank y'all for subscribing. Like I said, y'all get me to you know what I'm saying, 100 mark every time. I'm giving away $100. The challenge is still on. So y'all keep, you know what I'm saying, share my videos, like, comment, subscribe. Let's get it. I take that back. It came earlier. Well, you know, the site said that it'll be here by 9, but as you can see, it came a little early. So, man, like I said, man, these are, you know what I'm saying, strictly cosmetic, you know, making the car, you know what I'm saying, look glamorous. But soon as that's, you know, I get all these cosmetic, I'm gonna start working on my suspension and the engine and stuff like that. I also have a charger, so stay tuned to that little 12 volt charger. Stay tuned to that. Y'all don't want to miss that. Also, you know, my next video I'll show y'all the, you know, all the installation and all that kind of stuff like that, and show y'all what I'm thinking about doing to my engine. I ain't gonna reveal it yet, but I'm thinking about it. I don't know if I want to do a supercharger or just keep it, you know what I'm saying, naturally aspirated. So, but here we go, guys. I'm gonna show y'all The rest of these cosmetic. Alright, got a little box here. Let's see what this box is right here. Okay. Well, guys, as you can see, I went the better route for me. You know what I'm saying? A little small, but you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing too shabby. A little diffuser add-ons. You know what I'm saying? Bolt-ons. Once they bolt on the car like that. You know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing too shabby. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't gonna spend a whole bunch of money. But yeah, my little diffusers. Little bolt-on diffuser put on the back. I got a wicker bill coming and also a back window reflector also coming. Should be here Friday, but we'll see. These came a little early, so I'm kind of happy about that. My little cup holder here always goes inside the vehicle and all your door handles and stuff like that. But guys, it's time to light up the car. I got my underglow here. Y'all see it, color chasing. Amazon for about 60 bucks. Got my grill kit. Y'all see it. It's here. Car's finally finna light up. Yeah, man. Hey, like I said, I'm excited, man. I'm getting there. Getting halfway done with, you know what I'm saying, the cosmetic view. But y'all stay tuned for the installation. And just stay tuned. Little boy gonna be surprised about this too. Catch y'all next time. What's up, man? It's another day actually. Excuse me, I need another haircut, guys. But just want to show y'all something, man. A few installations I did to my car. I forgot to video it, but let me show y'all real quick. So I can see I got my wicker bill on. It's and I got an additional, I guess you'd call it a back window visor. Window spoiler, however you want to say it. Y'all see it. And I also put some rain guards on. But yeah, she coming along. I still gotta put on the diffuser, which I should be putting on today. If not today, sometime tomorrow, or when I get some free time. So stay tuned. I'm gonna get those installed, and I'll show y'all the finished product, including the washing of the car. Yo, look, didn't make the installing video for this, but it's pretty simple, man. Me and my buddy done it the other day, and you know what I'm saying, his information will be in my description. But basically, man, what we did was we took each piece, you know what I'm saying, we lift the car up, you know what I'm saying, but stand them on some jack stands, and we took each piece and put it on there individually instead of putting it all together and then just buttoning it on. But if you can tell, I don't know if you can see, bolted on. It looks pretty good, man. Look like it's sitting even lower. A little side view. Yeah, I don't know if y'all saw the bolt thongs, but it's basically just screwed to the front. And we also did the diffuser. I didn't put the little caps on it yet because I gotta paint them red. But we did that yesterday too. Like I said, me and my buddy did it yesterday. So shout out to him. Shout out to John. For helping me out on that. Okay, this is what she look like so far, guys.